This is for the hunter node timer setting. You want to activate the LCD screen by holding down the middle key. You get to the time, and then press the center button again to get to the date. You can plus or minus to change the year. The next key gets to the month. You can plus or minus to change the month. To the right again, you can get to the day, and you can plus or minus the day of the month to set the calendar, and you can press that again to get to the time. The time will go from AM, and if you want to go to PM, you can press the plus or minus to get through those menus, or you can go to 24-hour. And right now it's AM, so we're going to leave this at AM and go to the next menu. Would be the hour. You can change the hour plus or minus. You can go to the next menu to change the minute, plus or minus on the minutes, and press it again to get back to the date of the year. Hope that helps. See the other videos for more explicit instructions on the different menus of the hunter node timer.